Hi and welcome in the bathroom today. So the bathroom is one of those places that you definitely have to organize because there's lots of water and stuff that we have to kind of contain, and we use the bathroom very often as well. So we're really lucky. We have at the moment this beautiful new modern kind of bathroom, which is great. The only thing is that there is absolutely no storage place in this modern style looking bathroom. So I have experimented in the past a lot with different containers that you can use in the bathroom, and a lot of them actually don't work. So if you go to the average cheap shop, they either rust or they will disappear, or they basically don't stick to the wall for longer than a day. If you use things like this, it tends to not be strong enough. What you can do in some bathrooms is actually have this hanging thing over the switches, water switches, and then use these ones on the bottom to keep it still. I've actually tried that in this bathroom a little while ago, but what I found a little while ago is IKEA suction things, and these work really well. So this one I've still got in a container. They're around about $10, but they're great. They pretty much last for about a year and a bit. After a while the suction gets a little bit tired. That's why I've got some new ones, but they're absolutely great. You don't have to drill on the walls, you don't have to do anything, and in 5 minutes they're up. You've got two different types. So this is the container, like to keep everything, standing things in. We also got this style. So this is an older style, which I'm actually taken out because we actually use this section much more than the section on the side. So I'm gonna go into both bathrooms we have in our house and basically tidy up and put these new containers in to make it one very organized bathroom in a few minutes. So just to summarize, if you need to organize your bathroom, it is very simple. Remove the items that you no longer need or want. So you saw me remove some of the soap containers that was actually empty. Then find storage solutions for your bathroom. If you don't have any that are built in, simply purchase or invest in some good quality suction devices that will really transform your bathroom instantly. This is one of those organizing tricks that can be done within 15 to 30 minutes. So I hope that was useful. Good luck organizing your bathroom. Thanks. Bye.